it on? Hi people, this is Mariah Clark speaking. This is a diffuser. I have 3 oils. This one is Breeze, this one is Lavender, and this one is Lemon. So I only drop 3 drops of each in it, and then I just take it, I switch it around, and then I just have to put the lid on it, and then done. But the reason why I have it is because my mom, I'm sniffling a lot, and my mom makes me take this stuff, and then I stop sniffling. And I like it when it's in my room in the air. It's really cool. So have a good night. This was Mariah Grace speaking. Bye bye. Have a good day.